Hey guys, Jeff, Cheesehead Flipper here with another quick tip. This time it's going to be retail arbitrage at Walgreens. So, Walgreens does clearance quite often. Seasonal, when they do a new set, and they'll clearance out some stuff. Now, a lot of it still isn't profitable because they just do 50% off. But what you're really going to be looking for are things that are more than 50% off, or their big ticket items that are 50% off. I usually am looking for things that are around the 90% off range, which you'll see quite often. Not just at the end of the season. Like, I don't go in there after Christmas and buy all the Christmas goods, after Halloween, buy all the Halloween goods. No, I'm looking for more of the regular stuff in the store. But the point of this video is not to teach you how to do that. The point is to save you even more money off those items. Now, we all have these fancy dancy cell phones, right? Or me, I have an old, sort of fancy, 8 generations ago phone. But it's still kind of fancy. More powerful than what took humans to the moon. Doesn't that blow your mind? It blows my mind. This is more powerful than what sent people to the moon. Okay, back on topic here. Well, anyways, they have an app called the My Walgreens App. And on there, you can take the things that you find, you can scan them. Pick up the item, boop, 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 scan it in their app. Now, it's not like the hidden clearance section thing that, people show you at, Walmart. But what it will do is it'll tell you if there's any coupons available for that item. And usually, with very few exceptions, those coupons will also work on the clearance items, making something that was profitable even better for you. And it doesn't take long at all to do it. And not only are you going to be able to quickly find coupons for the things you're buying to flip, you're going to be able to find special deals. Like, not too long ago, they had a thing where if you spent $30, you got $10 off. Yeah, right away, $10. I did that a couple days ago. I went and loaded up my whole cart full of things. All of them I could make a profit on. A bunch of them I found coupons on that made it even cheaper. One of them was almost free. Yeah, they had down to like $1 something. There's a coupon for $1 off of that brand. All because of this little app. And then on top of that, because I spent $30, I got $10 off. But it gets better. As you spend money there, you earn rewards points. Where you can then get money back on even more. It works just as like cash in the store. You're going to check out, say, you have $5 rewards available. Would you like to use this? Yup. I want to spend less money. So if you're already doing retail arbitrage at Walgreens, use that app. I know a lot of other retailers, they also have those. If you aren't doing Walgreens, why not? Like I said, I would probably avoid like the big season-ending clearance stuff, because that gets flooded unless you're gonna wait on it a little bit. Either you gotta be the first one in or the last one's out for that type of stuff. Now, a lot of times this health and beauty stuff is not high dollar items. Most of it sells for between $10 to $20. But if you're getting it 90% off, even a $10 item, if you're paying around $1 for it, about $3 something to ship it, about $1 or $2 in fees, it's not gonna, buy you a Lamborghini. But if you do enough quantity of it, and there's Walgreens everywhere. Like on my way to my real job, I pass 6 or 7 of them. So yeah, there's a lot of Walgreens in a lot of areas. Good place to source from. Now, there are other places that have that too. I'll get into some of those a little bit later. But for now, if you're going to be buying stuff at Walgreens, download their app. I don't have a link to it. I don't have an affiliate link for Walgreens app. I don't think they do that. And if they did, I'm way too little for that. So, throw it on your smartphone. Tell me what you have found. Have you found anything good there? Have you used that app? Did you know it? Do you already buy there and didn't know about this thing? It's great. And they'll send you emails too of additional offers that aren't on the app. Like I had one a couple of days ago. It was another $5 off of purchase of like $20. I went and used it. It's great. So tell me what you guys think. Do you use any app like that? Is any other stores that you know about have an app like that where you can just, boom, apply a coupon? Or boom, get a special deal, or you get money back? Let me know down below. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.